Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived a wise old lion. He was known for his intelligence and leadership among all the animals. Lion had 4 loyal friends: a clever jackal, a witty monkey, a brave elephant, and a wise owl. Together they were known as the Panchtantra, or the 5 Wise Ones. One summer, the forest faced a severe drought, and the water sources began to dry up. The animals grew worried as they struggled to find water and survive the harsh conditions. One day, Lion called a meeting of the Panchtantra and said, "My dear friends, our forest is suffering. We must find a solution to this crisis and save our fellow creatures." After a long discussion, Jackal suggested, "I have heard of a magical well hidden deep within the forest. Legends say that it never dries up, no matter how severe the drought. We should seek its help." Everyone agreed, and the Panchtantra set off on a quest to find the magical well. As they journeyed through the forest, facing numerous challenges and obstacles, their unity and determination helped them overcome each hurdle. Finally, after days of searching, they stumbled upon a hidden cave. Inside the cave, they discovered the fabled well. The sight of water filled their hearts with joy. But as they approached the well, a voice echoed through the cave, saying, "To drink from this well, you must pass a test. Answer my riddles correctly, and the water shall be yours." The wise owl volunteered to answer the riddles. The voice asked, "What is the greatest weapon?" Owl pondered for a moment and replied, "Wisdom." The voice was impressed and asked the second riddle, "What is the most important trait for a leader?" Without hesitation, Owl responded, "Compassion." The voice was pleased with the answers and asked the final riddle, "What is the strength that lies in unity?" Owl smiled and replied, "Teamwork." As soon as Owl uttered the last word, the magical well erupted, pouring forth cool and refreshing water. The animals quenched their thirst and filled their containers to carry water back to the parched forest. With their mission accomplished, the Panchtantra returned to their fellow animals, distributing water and bringing hope to the forest. The news of their success spread like wildfire, and animals from far and wide gathered to express their gratitude. The Panchtantra taught everyone the importance of wisdom, compassion, and teamwork. The moral of this story is that unity and cooperation are powerful tools that can overcome any adversity.